Welcome, in front of me is a OPPO A5 from 2020, and today I'll show you how to enable and set up the portable hotspot. So the easiest way to have it under your hand so you can enable it quickly is to pull down the notification panel, and if you don't have it anywhere here, an icon for a portable hotspot, tap on the 3 bars right here with the arrow, and will be, for me at least, it's right here, so personal hotspot. Grab it, drag it over like so, and then tap on done, and now you can see that there it is. So from here you can enable it by simply tapping on it and also hold it, and when you hold it, it takes you to the settings. So from here you can go into personal hotspot settings, where you will be able to see your password. So right here you can also tap on it to change it to something a little bit easier to give to someone else, or for yourself if you want to use it on your to share with your computer or whatever the purpose you're doing this for is. So you can change it right here. Also there is the name of the network which you can change. It doesn't really matter. It's just the name of the network that will be visible on different devices. The primary option would be the password. Also, let me go actually disable this at the moment, like so. See if I can. So right here also you have the option to change it from 2.4G to 5G. Now, just a brief overview, 5G will be better and faster overall, but not every device will be able to access it. So if you have an older device that you will try to connect to, it might not even show up. So if you're not seeing your network, which will be basically the name right here, in your Wi-Fi list, then that will mean that your device doesn't support 5G. So you'll want to set it to 2.4. But assuming you have a fairly newer device, it should work just fine on the 5G. Now additionally, you have the password, the 4G options, security, which I think you can disable it. Yeah, none. I would highly disadvise on doing that, because then anybody can connect to it. So it's not very secure at this point. And there should be also an option right here, connection management right here, where you can set a maximum amount of people that can connect to you. So once you tap on here, you can choose, for instance, only one person can connect. Even though you have a password, you can restrict it to just one person. And if someone is connected, you can always kick them or block them, as you can see. So yeah, and once it's all set up, once you actually set up the password, you will be able then to not even come back here ever again. You just set it and forget it, and all you need to do here is just tap on it, and then it will work as it's set. And just as a example, here's my phone, and because this is enabled, you can see right here there's the OPPO A5 2020 as a network. So that is basically how this would show up. But yeah, so that is how you would set up the personal hotspot. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.